Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, student. Good afternoon, student. Okay, how are you this afternoon? Okay, I'm so very happy and I'm fine for today. Okay, now before we start our lesson today, I want to comment you. Any trust under your table? Please check it. Please check it. No? Okay, it is clean? Yes. Okay, now stand up, please. I want to check your uniform. Okay, just ID. Okay. Boy? Okay. ID, right? Okay, please sit down again. Okay, now student, before that, I want to call your name. Okay, please pay attention. I want to check your attendance list. Okay. If I call your name, you please raise your hand. Okay, and if you hear don't listen your name, so you absent. Okay. Okay. For the first is Anis Fitria. Okay. And the second Atika Ulinuha. Hikmah Melisa. Okay. And then Gilang Ramadan. Okay, is there any present for today? Is there any present? Everyone any present for today? Ada yang nggak masuk hari ini? Okay, all of you is present. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, now please let's pray together. Okay, Galang, please comment yes your member. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Allahumma inni fiddin alimni at-taqwim. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, now to increase our nationalism, so we sing about national song Satu Nusa Satu Bangsa. Okay, please stand up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Satu nusa, satu bangsa, satu bahasa kita. Tanah air pasti jaya untuk selama-lamanya. Indonesia pusaka, Indonesia cinta,
nusa bangsa dan bahasa kita bela bersama.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay, now student, before we start our lesson today, I want to ask you about the last material for last week. Anybody knows? You can present. Raise your hand. You can say the last material. Anybody want? Okay, describing activity. Is it right? Right? Yeah. Is it right? So, can you mention what is the activity? Some activity in the daily activity. Okay? Anybody want to raise your hand? Okay, Siva? Yes? Okay, fishing. Another one? Ada yang lain? Kegiatan yang bisa dilakukan? What else? Ada lagi kah? Dancing, ya, menari, ya enggak? Bisa kan? So, etc. Dan lain sebagainya. Okay? For today, we want to continue about our material. Okay, this material is culinary and me, foods and drinks. Yeah. Okay, but before I explain our material, so I want to give you question. For the first, okay, I want to ask you, do you have any foods and drinks? Do you have any food and drinks? Okay, yes, I do. Good. Ya, Karin ya. Yes, I do. Okay, now, please, can you mention about the taste and texture, ya? Taste and texture about your food and drinks. Okay, who wants to try to answer? Siapa yang mau coba jawab? Can you mention about the taste and texture? Okay, siapa yang mau jawab? Who wants to answer? Menyebutkan makanan, minuman beserta rasa dan teksturnya. Okay, who wants to try? Uli, wants to try? Rani. Okay, cake. The taste is? Okay, taste is sweet. Texture? Okay, texture is smooth. Yeah. Okay, now I want to continue our material so you can see about my worksheet. Yeah, you can look at in front of. Okay. Okay, yeah. The material is culinary and me, foods and drinks. Next. Tujuan kegiatan pembelajaran. Hari ini adalah tujuannya kegiatan pelajaran peserta didik dapat melihat dan mampu menyebutkan berbagai jenis makanan dan minuman dalam bahasa Inggris dengan tepat. Yang kedua, peserta didik dapat memahami dan membedakan serta mengidentifikasi berbagai macam makanan dan minuman. Yang ketiga apa? Meningkatkan kemampuan peserta didik dalam penerapan makanan dan minuman dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, artinya apa? Dengan mempelajari materi ini kalian bisa mengenal jenis-jenis makanan dan beserta rasa, tekstur, dan juga bisa menggunakan apa? Percakapan tentang makanan dan minuman dalam apa? Oke, dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, look at this ya. Oke. In the foods and drink materials, there are the kinds of food. Ya, types of food, vegetables. Vegetables, the main of vegetable is sayur-sayuran. Okay, such as what is it? Tomato. And then apa? Okay, cabbage. Cabbage and then? Okay, sorry. And the second is fruits. Fruits, what the meaning? Buah-buahan. This one is orange. And then? Okay, cereals. Yeah, in English, flour. Yeah. Rice, good. Tubers. Yeah, what is it? Ubi in English? Anybody knows? In English, ubi, yes? Rika, good. Cassava. Yeah. And then? What is it? Potato. And the 5 legumes. Yeah, legumes. Okay, this one is legumes. What? Kacang-kacangan in English? Peanut. Good. Yeah, peanut like this ya. This is a legumes. Okay, dairy. Dairy ini adalah cairan ya, semuanya berbahan cair atau liquid. Like this. The example is cheese. Okay, milk, cheese, include of dairy. And then meat, chicken, meat and okay, and egg. Okay, the next. Okay ya, food and beverage ya. Food, makanan dan minuman. Drink in here, can you say with beverage? Bisa juga disebut dengan beverage ya. Like this, the example is meatball. Okay, together. Meatball. Rice. Fried rice. Noodle. Fried chicken. Bread. Ice cream. Milk. Iced tea. Okay, repeat again without me. Okay. Okay, good. Next. Okay. And then there is a food taste ya. Ada rasa makanan di dalamnya. Number 1 is sweet. Sweet, the meaning is manis. And the second is bitter, pahit. Ya, sweet contohnya ini seperti apa? Makanan pocky stick ya. This is the taste is sweet. Bitter, bitter itu? Okay, the example is coffee. And then sour. Sour. Okay, rasanya asam. Contohnya adalah lemon is sour ya. Lemon itu terasa sangat atau kecut. And then salty. Salty, asin. And then okay, spicy. Spicy, pedas. And greasy. Apa greasy? Berminyak. Chips are so greasy. Apa artinya ini? Chips are so greasy. Chips. Chips. Keripik. Ya, keripik itu And the 7 is crunchy. Crunchy itu artinya garing. I like crunchy snack. Ya, apa? What the meaning of this? Saya yang garing. Okay. And the egg, soapy. Okay, soapy. Artinya apa? Berkuah. Nih, this is the sentence. I like soapy noodles. Yeah. What the meaning? Saya. Okay, together. I like soapy noodles. Okay. 9 blend. Okay, rasanya itu adalah The soap is little bit bland. Yeah, this soap is little bit bland. Okay, what the meaning? Artinya, sup itu terasa sangat apa? Hambar ya. And the 10 savory. Artinya gurih atau asin. I like savory bread. Okay. Now repeat again without me. Sekali lagi tanpa miss. Okay, number 1. Sweet. Bitter. Okay, good. Yes. Greasy. Okay, savory. Okay, for this material, any question? Ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum Ibu lanjut? Before I continue the material, any question? Ada pertanyaan kah? No, okay. Next ya. Nah, okay. And we learn about food texture, ya. Battery. Okay. The meaning is smooth and creamy like butter, ya. Smooth and creamy. Berarti dia smooth itu? What do you mean? Iya, lembut and creamy the butter. Like this. The example is cheese. Okay, chewy. What the meaning of chewy? Okay, good ya. Chewy kenyal ya. Food that needs to be chew a lot of before ya. Makanan memerlukan apa? Sedikit lebih banyak apa? Kekenyalan sebelum ditelan. Contohnya apa, chewy? Candy, ya. Okay, crumbly. Okay, easily falls apart into small pieces. Ya, dia mudah apa kalau falls? Falls. This one falls. Okay, easy falls ya. Easy falls apart into small pieces. Dia mudah jatuh ke bagian yang lebih apa? Small. Okay, lebih kecil ya. Namanya crumbly. And then crunchy. Okay, what the meaning of crunchy? Crunchy renyah ya. Okay. That makes a sharp noise when eaten. Apa maksudnya? What the meaning? Dia akan terasa noise. Apa noise? Dia akan terasa kayak ada suara-suara gitu ya. Berisik di dalam ketika digigit ketika dimakan. Okay. Next, creamy. Okay. Smooth texture, without any lumps. Ya. Sama teksturnya itu juga lembut, namanya creamy. Okay, gooey. Sticky and soft. Ya. Apa ini permukaannya? Sticky. What the meaning of sticky? Ya, and lembut and juicy texture which contains a lot of juice. Udah disebutin katanya a lot of juice, berarti banyak mengandung air. Lumpy. Okay, a liquid containing solid pieces. Artinya apa? Ya, banyak mengandung bagian-bagian cairan. Lumpy, what the meaning? Kental. Okay. Moist, slightly wet texture. Teksturnya adalah basah, disebut moist. Runny. Bukan runny itu ya. Runny. Containing more liquid than normal. Apa? Cairan itu lebih banyak daripada normal. Smooth. Ya. Creamy texture that doesn't contain any lumps. Okay. Ya. Teksturnya itu sangat lembut ya. Sticky. Viscous texture like glue. Jadi teksturnya itu seperti lem. Okay. Stop. We heard azan first ya. Okay, answer the azan first. Okay, well, we continue about our lesson. Okay, before we hear our azan, so we continue our lesson today. Okay, next, sticky. Okay, viscous texture like glue. Tadi seperti apa katanya? Iya, seperti lem, soft, easily change shape when pressed. Ya, ukurannya apa katanya? Sangat, sangat apa? Easily. Begitu? Ya. And then tender. Food that is easy to chew. Ya. Jadi makanan itu terasa mudah apa? Nah, apa? Chewy. Apa? Ya, kenyal. Thick. A liquid that doesn't flow easily. Ya, cairan itu apa katanya? Tidak terlalu flow. Ya, tidak terlalu mudah untuk doesn't flow. Jadi tick itu berdiri, tidak mudah dia jatuh maksudnya ya. Tick, oke, berdiri. Oke, for our material, any question maybe? Raise up your hand. Gak apa-apa kalau mau nanya, Mbak. Oke. Finish ya. Okay, the material is finished. So, if you don't have any questions, so we want to watch about the video. Okay, now look at this one. I want to watch, yeah. I want to play this video. This one.
Welcome students to our unit. This time we're going to
Are you listen? The song? Dengar nggak? Okay. Look at Hanif. Look at in front of you. Please move it. Move it. Geser. Panas, geser. Ah. Okay.
favorit kalian untuk mendiskusikan makanan atau minuman yang kalian sukai. Kalian bisa menggunakan dua hal, yaitu taste dan texture. Taste adalah rasa, texture adalah tekstur. Untuk taste terbagi menjadi beberapa contoh, di antaranya savory, gurih, sour,
Spicy.
pedas, sweet, bitter, dry. Texture My favorite snack is ketchup chips. It's crispy and salty. Salty.
Okay. Now, before we continue our lesson, I want to ask you, what is the food and drink do you see in my video? Makanan dan minuman yang kalian di video ibu apa aja? Masih ingat? Ada apa aja tadi? Di video? Yang ingat? Okay, orange. And then? Siapa tadi nyebut orange? Raise your hand. And then? Ada apa lagi? What else? What else? Apa lagi ya?
Teman-teman sekalian, selain ini, this time,
Ayo, simak lagi. You can look at this once again. Bisa diingat ya, you can remember what is the food in my video. Okay? Cassava, pudding, fried rice, rica-rica, chocolate cake.
tidak hanya itu, juga ada jenisnya. Hanya water, community, juice, tea, dan coffee.
Okay. Can you remember? Diingat? Okay. Okay, test texture. Okay, rasa. Texture ya. Yes. Savory, gurih, sour, masam, spicy, pedas, plain, hambar, bitter, pahit. Nah, you can remember. Texture. Yes. Sticky, lengket, crunchy, garing. Greasy, berminyak. Oke, crispy, renyah. Okay, this one is the example for the sentence, right? My favorite snack. Okay. And sweet. Okay. Okay, for my video, I will give you a question again, the same question. What is the favorite food? Can you see in my video? Okay, who wants to try answer the question? Apa tadi makanan dan minuman yang ada di dalam video tadi? Ada yang masih ingat? Oke, Karin. Cassava chips, and then pudding. Okay. What else? Chocolate cake. Anyone? Ada yang mau nambahin? Oke, drink. Sekarang minumannya yang ingat apa aja? Yes? Iced tea. And then? Rani? Okay. Orange juice. Iced tea. Okay, and the coffee. Okay, for our material, you can ask me any question maybe? Ada pertanyaan? No. Okay. If there is no question, I will give you some worksheet, right? Kelompok 1 on to behind the first. Kelompok 1 can divide it ya, bagiin Mbak ya. The second group, okay. The third group and the fourth group. Okay. Okay, look at your paper ya. Semuanya lihat di kertasnya masing-masing ya. Okay, there is a questions. Okay, please complete the word below. What the texture and taste the following food and drink. Jadi di sini perintahnya apa? Melengkapi. Melengkapi apa? Melengkapi kata-kata dengan menggunakan teks, tekstur, dan taste. Taste itu adalah rasa ya. Dengan makanan dan minuman yang ada di gambar. Oke, now you can please discuss with your group. Boleh diskusi dengan grupnya. Okay, answer the questions carefully. Okay, discuss any question maybe?
Yes, miss.
What the question? Okay, you can use it your book, handbook, yeah. You can use your handbook. Okay, if if you forget, I will give you some. This this one you can read. Okay, if you forget, you can read it. Ya, bisa baca ini Mbak. This one, if you forget, you can read it. Okay, together ya. Hanif, Abi. You can read it ya, bisa baca itu ya. Okay, any question? First paragraph, first group. Sorry, first group. Okay. Any question? Third group, ada pertanyaan nggak? Belum ada. Discuss together ya, didiskusikan sama-sama ya jawabannya. Kira-kira gambarnya apa? What is the picture? Discuss together ya. Fungsi grup itu ya, diskusi bersama-sama mencari, look for the good answer, mencari jawaban yang benar. Adalah kerjasamanya ya. Okay, Abi, you can discuss with your member group. Take it, take it, take it. Can you see clearly? Okay. Okay, Galang, any question maybe? Any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak? No. Abi, any question? Are you sleep? No. Anip, any question? No. Misha, any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Uli, Mbak Uli. Misha, any question? Okay, the first? Belum, not yet. Okay, but this is a film. Diisi Mbak, ya sama-sama diisi. Still filled, tetap diisi ya. Semuanya diisi. Ya, meskipun sama-sama tapi tetap ya, semuanya papernya tetap diisi. Okay, the paper is full, harus diisi semua ya. Punya Angel. Don't forget write your name and write your group in the above your paper ya. Di atas kertasnya tulis nama kalian. Okay, write your name. Write your name, please. It's the question. Oh. Okay, write your name. Atika Ulinuha. Write it. Write. Ditulis semua ya. All of it, write it. Tulis. Tulis semuanya, ditulis ya. Abi, write. Write it. Where is your pen? Where is your pen, Abi? Mana penanya, Bi? Ayo. Come on. Bufta, where is your pen? Abi, where is your pen? Nih, this is your pen. Abi. Okay, any question? For the first group, any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak grup 1? Second group 2? No. Group 3? So far so good? Good. Okay, Galang, for the fourth group, any question maybe? No? Okay, have you finished? No, not yet. Okay, now which one the group is ready? Yang udah siap grup mana? Okay. As for other, belum selesai ya? Belum selesai. Oh, group 1 yang belum ya. Okay, wait for 3 minutes again. Abi, have you finished? Finish? No. Gufta, where is your paper? Where is your paper? Right. Write it, right. Right, all of it right ya. Semuanya harus ditulis. Tulis. Write it. Gufta, Abi, come on. Okay, the third group have ready. Okay, now you can this one in front of your class. Stand up here in front of your class, Angel. The paper, bring it. Bawa kertasnya. Okay, don't forget greeting. B. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, look at your friends. Okay, for other, look at your friends. Hanif. Okay, you can see your friends. Okay, this one is picture. Okay, from the presentation of the third group, you can give the questions. Anybody knows? Anyone to asking the question? Okay, Gila. Okay, repeat again the question. Repeat again. Nanti pertanyaannya diulang dulu ya, dipikirin dulu jawabannya ya, Mbak. Okay. Okay, Gila. Repeat again your question. Ulangi lagi pertanyaannya. Li. Oh, okay. Why you choose the pizza is delicious? Kenapa pizza itu kamu anggap sebagai makanan yang Okay, please. Mau berdiskusi dulu boleh discuss with your friends. Jawabannya discussing dulu. Okay, discussing with your friends, right? Okay. Wait a minute. Don't be nosy, right? Okay. Okay, Angel, you can answer. Okay. What, Angel? Angel, repeat again. Bila, can you listen what the answer of the Angel? Bisa dengar nggak jawaban dari si Angel, Mbak Angel? Bisa? So, repeat again. On to here. Okay? Coba diulang lagi. Jawabannya tadi apa? Oh, iya. Apa katanya? Karena pizza itu is makanan yang sangat lezat. Kenapa? Karena dia rasanya spicy. Iya. Ya, kalau Ibu dengar tadi spicy ya, karena rasanya itu pedas. Karena itu pizza is very delicious. Okay. Anyone? Another questions maybe? Ada lagi yang mau nanya? No. The second group mau nanya? Any question? The fourth group? No. Okay, please close it. Okay, give applause for the third group. Okay, now wants to in front of standing here. Okay, the second group, right? Yeah, dua ya. Okay, standing here, please. Don't forget to greeting, ya. Okay, come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My favorite food is I like because it. Okay, friends, this is the show of
You can see with your friends, maybe.
chicken sauce.
Mm-mm.
It's crazy. I like because it's hot and spicy, and the color is brown.
And then,
My favorite drink is it. I like milk
this one.
and then
Mm-hmm. Iced tea. Galang, listen to your friend, please. Okay. Okay, any question for the second group? You can raise your hand. Boleh tunjuk tangannya. Okay, Rika. Give the question, please.
Do you like chicken sauce?
Do you like chicken sauce and why? Okay, discuss together. Okay, the answer is discuss with your friends. Yes, good. Okay, who wants to answer? Siapa yang mau jawab? Karin, oke Karin.
Yes. Chicken sauce is chicken sauce just spicy flour and
Okay, are you clear, Rika? Okay, clear. Okay, another question maybe for the second group. Ada yang pertanyaan lain nggak? Okay, if there is no question again, please close it. Okay. Okay, salam, greeting. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, give applause. Okay, now we can ice breaking. Kita jeda dulu ya. Kita kasih ice breaking dulu. To relax your body. Okay, Gufta. We can clap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay, tepuk 1. Tepuk 2. Tepuk 3. Tepuk 4. Oke, berarti harus apa? Oke, fokus. Oke, bisa dilanjutin? Bisa dilanjutin ya. Oke, who wants to standing here again? Yang mau berdiri di sini in front of our class? Berdiri di depan kelas? And one group ya, the first group and the fourth group. Oke, which one? Yang mana mau duluan? Boy. Okay, come on. Okay, Gupta, bring it. So very high, Gupta. Star. Okay, come on. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will presentation from the book. According to us, the best picture is my favorite one. It's not anything like because it's red and the color is black.
Yeah, the color is black. And
And you can
B, you can see your friend.
and the
Okay.
different picture is coffee. And I like because it is and color is black.
Okay, is the color is black. Okay, what the picture for the first picture is? Yes. Come on, group 4. What is it? Is cake. Okay, and the second is? Okay, coffee. Okay, for the fourth group, any question? Maybe for the first two and the third? No. Why you don't have question? Is so clearly? Sudah jelas? Okay. If you don't have a question, so please close it. Boleh ditutup ya? Oke, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for the last group. The first group, are you ready to presentation here? Are you ready? Ready. Uli, are you ready? Okay, please stand up here in front of your class. Come on, Bila.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I know that presentation from the first group according to us, the first group is my favorite group. It's very good. It's right so soft. I like because it's very fluffy.
Okay, look at your friends.
My favorite drink is I like because it.
Mm-hmm.
And then the second picture is my favorite drink is milk. It's too fluffy. I like because it's blind fluffy.
You know? Okay, you can explain the first picture and the second picture for your friend. The first picture is rice. Rice? What rice? What rice? It's your presentation. You can read. What is it? Apa ini kalau bahasa Indonesianya? In English, nasi bakar. It's your presentation, right? Uli, you can read. This is a yes, baked. Good, baked rice. And the second picture is meal. Okay. So clearly for the explanation, jelas nggak apa yang dijelasin? Jelas. Okay. Any question for the first group? Ya, ada pertanyaan? Oke, Mbak Karin. Come on. What? Question? Clearly? Jelas nggak pertanyaannya? Jelas. Oke. Discuss again. Discuss ya. Diskusi dulu. Jawabannya discuss dulu. Oke, Mbak Uli. Boleh didiskusikan dulu ya. You may discuss about your friends. Oke. Who wants to answer? Siapa yang mau jawab? Uli. Oke. Oke, Karin, please. Your patient will answer from Uli. Ya. Come on, Uli.
How the picture of the device
Mm-mm.
is easy with time from or degree likely and hard.
Okay. Is it clear? Clear? Clearly? Okay. Any question again, maybe, for the first group? No. Are you clearly? Jelas? Yes? Okay. If there is no question again, you can close it. Okay, please. Boleh ditutup, Mbak.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, waalaikumsalam. Okay, and now please, you can collect to me what paper? This no. This LKPD, yeah? This LKPD, yes. Material, no. Is material, no. Okay. Okay. The first group. There is my paper, yes. Okay. Don't forget to write your name. Yeah. Okay, the fourth group. The fourth group. No, the material is you. The material is you. The material is you. The material is you. Okay. Okay. Before we continue about the post test, I want to ask you again. Okay. Any question for the material? Ada pertanyaan nggak dari materi tadi? Okay. If there is no question again, I want to give you some post test. Yeah, this is a summative. Okay. I want to give you one by one. Please to do it one by one ya. Kerjakan secara mandiri. Don't forget write your name. Okay. Anis, Sifa, Ica, Muli, Gila, okay, Mbak Misha, Dewi, Abi, Gufta, Zoe, Hanif, okay, and Galang. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, please to do it one by one ya. Okay, sorry. To do it. Okay, the first group. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Okay, what difficult? Apa kulitnya? Okay. Yes, you can see the paper material, yeah, right? This one. If you finish, Rika. Okay. Angel, not yet. Don't forget to write your name. Don't forget to write your name. Your name. Okay. Abi, don't forget write your name. Write your name. Name. Abi. Okay. Hanif. Who else? Okay, finish. Okay, the group 3 is finished. Okay, the fourth group finish. This one, no, I have a question for you. Okay, the second group and the first group. Are you finished, girl? Okay, write your name. Okay. Okay, the first group. Dewi, Nisha, Evila, and Ulineha. Okay. Okay. Anyone? Ada lagi nggak? No. Okay. Now I want to ask you for the reflections. Okay. My question is, what did we learn today? Apa yang kalian pelajari pada hari ini? Okay. Please raise your hand. Boleh perwakilan aja divide your group. Masing-masing each group you can raise your hand one person. Boleh perwakilannya satu orang yang mau jawab pelajaran apa yang kalian dapat hari ini. Come on, raise your hand. Don't be ashamed to talk ya. Jangan malu untuk bicara. Okay, please. Okay, Rani. Food and drinks. Just like it. Mau nambahin boleh edit. Okay, Rika. This net and then no. Okay, not yet. The second group, what we learned today. Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? And then Siva. Okay, tasty. Texture, Icha. And okay, good. The color, okay. And the first, what we learned today? Apa kita pelajari hari ini? And then another one to it. Again, what else? Okay, and color. Bila, Nisha, want to it? Mau nambahin nggak? Ya, okay. For the Galang group, Galang group, what we learned today? Apa yang kita pelajari pada hari ini? What we learned today? Okay, favorite food and then favorite drink. What else? B. Hanif. What we learn? What else? No. Okay. And the question, the second question, can you understand for the lesson today? Bisakah kamu pahami pelajaran hari ini? Can you understand for the lesson today? Okay, if you can, I have a 3 question again. Can you mention the new vocabulary? I want to one by one, right? One by one, mention it one by one. Okay. From the Rika. Okay, spicy. Spicy pedas. Okay, good. Smooth, good. Sweetie. Sweet. What the meaning of sweet, Ninis? Crispy. Okay, renyah. Okay, the second group. Plain. What the meaning? Hambar. What the meaning? Manis. Okay, lembut, soft. Okay. For the first group, okay, new vocabulary you get in my material today. Tika ulinaha. What?
Favorite iced tea.
Iced tea, and then new vocabulary iced tea, and then what else? What else?
Sweet and juice.
Okay, sweet and juice. Gila. Apa? What? Yeah, savory. What the meaning of savory? And then what else again? Come on. What else again? Enough? Enough. Meisha. Milk. The new vocabulary is milk. Susu. Okay, and then? Sweet. What the meaning of sweet? Sweet. Sweet. The meaning of sweet is? The meaning artinya apa? What the meaning? Meaning. Sweet. Sweet artinya apa? Okay, manis. What else? Soft. What the meaning? Okay, lembut. Dewi. Okay, spicy. What the meaning of spicy? Spicy, hot. Spicy. Okay, pedas. Okay, the last group, the new vocabulary, perbendaharaan baru ya, kata baru yang kamu dapat hari ini. Galang. Galang, Hanif, Kufta, and Abi. Please mention one by one.
And salt.
Bitter and
Salt
what the meaning? Bitter is
is
the meaning is bitter.
bitter.
Bitter
Bitter
is the bitter.
is the bitter and sour.
Ya, bitter artinya apa? Kalau kopi tadi rasanya apa? The bitter. Oke. Okay. Sour tadi masih ingat nggak? Always remember? Nah, kecut, good. Anip. Juice doh. Just juice. Juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah. Juicy. What the meaning of juicy?
And
Juicy. Apa? Juicy. What the meaning? Okay, berair. Gufta. What the meaning of spicy? Pedas. Okay, Abi. And the last. You can see. Abi, are you still remember what I say? Running in front of the class. You can remember what the new word. Yeah, what the meaning?
lembut. Sweet, manis.
And another word, come on. Another word, kata-kata yang lain. Another word. Enough.
No.
No, okay. No. There is no gain. Okay. I think after we study our lesson, we get a new vocabulary. Okay. From the kinds of food and then texture and then what else? Taste. And then yes, and the color. Yeah. Okay. if there is no question, I want to ask you. Okay. We want for the next week. Okay, any question? Any question for our material? I want to give your question again. Ada pertanyaan nggak sebelum Ibu mau lanjut? No, there is no question. Okay. Okay, now please for the last task ya. Untuk tugas terakhir. Kalian bisa, you can mention your favorite food with the color, beserta warnanya saja. Kalau tadi sudah tekstur sama apa? Rasa, sekarang warna. Oke, one by one. Oke, Rika. Oke, yellow color. And then? Yang lain pikirin ya. Okay, please thinking about one food and the color, ya. Food or drink, up to you, so up to you. Food or drink, so up to you. Makanan dan minuman ya. Terserah, salah satunya nggak apa-apa, makanan atau minuman beserta warnanya. Oke, Sari. Apple, the color is? Green, okay. Milk, the color is? White. What? Milk, yellow. Milk, the meaning milk is susu. Warnanya? Oh, okay. Chocolate in English is? Chocolate in English. Come on. Can you help your friends? Brown. Okay, thank you, Rika. Okay, Mbak Siva.
My favorite drink, matcha drink.
The color is?
Color is green.
Okay. Is the last question ya? Pertanyaan terakhir.
It is sweet,
Okay. Karin.
chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. The color is?
Chocolate.
Okay. Cha. Coffee. The color is?
Black.
Good. Atika Ulinuha. What the favorite or a drink do you favorite? Come on. Okay. Orange juice. The color is? Orange. Ayo, Mbak Bila. Come on.
Water.
Okay. Misha. Milk. The color is? White. Yeah. Coffee. The color is? Black. Good. Dewi. Okay. Gufta. Can you mention one food or drink as your favorite and with the color? Makanan dan atau minuman sama warnanya.
Milk.
Just one. The color is?
White.
Okay.
Milk.
No, the same like this. For another food and drink, right? So many, right? Okay.
Warnanya?
Juicy. Orange juice. The color is?
Orange.
Orange. Good. Galang. Okay, think it. One. Come on, Galang. Okay, the color is? Nah, bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Coklat.
Brown.
Brown, good. Abi. First person, last person, Abi. Makanan kesukaan. Atau minuman, boleh. What else? Coffee. The color is? Kopi. Warnanya? The color is? Kopi. Pernah lihat kopi? Okay. Hitam in English, what? Black. Okay. Okay. I think your the material is clearly right. Ya, jelas nggak? Jelas ya? Okay. If I give you a question, you can answer a good answer. Okay, before I will close this meeting, I want to give your information about the next meeting. Okay, what the material. Okay, the next meeting we will explain. I will explain about the secret recipe. Secret. Okay, what the meaning of secret? Raha. Okay, resep. Resep rahasia. Okay, we can explain. I want to explain for the next week. Okay, so far so good. Okay, are you happy? There is no sad here. Ada yang sedih? Okay, if there is a no sad, okay, please sit down. Please stand up. We want to ice breaking once again. Okay. Okay. Buka tutup ya. Buka tutup, open and close. In English we can say open and close. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Come on, Galang. Lalu tersenyum gigi, gulung-gulung, gulung-gulung, lalu tertawa, buka, on, the faster. Bertepuk tangan, buka tutup, tangan lagi, gulung-gulung, digulung-gulung, lalu tersenyum gigi, digulung-gulung, lalu tertawa. Okay, please sit down. Okay, the student, before I close this meeting, okay, please, the leader class, Galang, you can comment your member.
Let's pray together.
Okay. Okay, let's pray. Okay, Allah sir. Wal asri innal insana lafil husn. Raise your hand. Na amanu wa amilus solihati wa tawassaw bil haqqi wa tawassaw bis sabr. Sadaqallahul azim. Okay, class. Thank you for your opportunity. Thank you for your attention. And I'm sorry and I have any mistakes for this meeting. Okay, can you forgive me? Yes? Okay, yes or no? Okay. Okay, now I will close this meeting and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, answer my greeting.